Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lingo Leap's easy method. This approach is designed to help you learn new languages quickly and effectively, even with a busy schedule. We'll focus on simple, consistent steps that make language acquisition feel natural and enjoyable. By following these guidelines, you can expect to build a solid foundation and even reach conversational fluency in just a few months. The core of the easy method is consistent daily practice. Aim for just 15 to 20 minutes every day. During this time, concentrate on mastering one new concept or a small group of 5 to 10 vocabulary words. This focused approach prevents overwhelm and builds a strong learning habit. Remember, short, regular sessions are far more effective than infrequent, long ones for long-term retention. Lingo Leap offers a variety of engaging content to support your learning. Make sure to utilize interactive exercises such as flashcards, quizzes, and speaking prompts to actively practice. Listening to native speakers through audio clips and dialogues is crucial for improving your pronunciation and comprehension. Also, dedicate about 1/4 of your practice time to reviewing previously learned material. This reinforces memory and solidifies your understanding. Staying motivated is vital for your language journey. Lingo Leap helps you track your progress, showing your learning streaks and completed lessons. Set small, achievable goals, such as mastering 10 new words each week or completing a specific number of modules monthly. Celebrate these milestones, no matter how small, to maintain your enthusiasm. Remember, every step forward is a victory on your path to fluency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.